Alright, so this is a quick tutorial on replacing LCD screen for an Acer Aspire One, model number D257-1802. First thing you want to do is remove the battery. And then take plastic pry tool. You can get these on eBay for pretty cheap, so don't be digging in there with a screwdriver breaking everything. Just press right into these tabs here on they should separate pretty easily. Then you open it up and there's two screws before you take the cover off. They're at the bottom corners here, and there's supposed to be a cover over top of these, and they're just really thin plastic discs with adhesive on them, and they're a pain in the butt. You want to keep your hand over it when you pop them off because they'll go flying everywhere. You're going to have to use a screwdriver to get them off, and just try to be careful not to scratch everything up. So just take out these two screws here. And take your plastic pry tool again and just work your way around all the seams here. And then for the bottom part, you can just pull it out and use your finger to get the rest of that out. Lift the cover off, and then there's 4 more screws right along the perimeter here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And right on the top here, you've got a connector for your webcam up here. You're going to have to pull that off. The connector is taped to the back of the LCD, the wire there. So just take another plastic pry tool and just gently pull it off at the corners one at a time so you don't break it. You lift it off and carefully untape it from the back. And then down at the bottom, just pull this tape off right here. Lift it up gently. And the connector comes out pretty easily, just slides right down. And then untape this cable here. And there's your LCD screen. So you just follow the steps in reverse. Slide that connector in. Retape the cabling so it stays out of the way. Line up the new LCD on these dowels here, and reinstall those 4 screws. Then you're going to go ahead and reinstall that connector for the webcam. Just slide it right back in place and reinstall the cover. Slide the bottom end in first, where those C-clips are, and just snap it all around the perimeter. Reinstall the screws on the outside. And the battery. You've got a new working LCD screen.